Hi guys, I'm Sachi and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the recently launched Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector. I'm also going to show you how to get the perfect microbladed brows with this brand new product. Before we get into the review, if you are new to the BeBeautiful channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. So guys, I love the fact that Lakme continuously upgrades and keeps innovating its product range. And this time they've launched a brow product called the Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector. I'm sure we all are well aware that whether you have thick brows or scanty ones, you cannot deny that groomed eyebrows can frame your face. Unless you're a parlor lady that messes it up. But there's always a way to fix things, and in this case, it's this brow product. The micro in the name is from the famous microblading trend, and it promises to give your brows that microblading precision, basically Instagram worthy, sculpted and defined brows. Now let me show you the product up close. The specially designed 1.5 mm tip mimics your natural brow hair, which is great. This brow perfector also comes with a spoolie to brush and groom your brows and also tame away those stray strands. I love brow pencils that have this add-on. It's so important, right? And it's also available in two shades. Coffee, which is a little lighter, and charcoal, which is darker. So you could choose according to your brow color. Now let me show you how to use this product to get those perfect microbladed brows. But first things first, do a quick pluck to get rid of any extra brow hair. Be careful while tweezing, you don't want to over pluck your brows, leaving them thin and uneven. Now for the tutorial. Step 1. Pick the right shade. Choose the shade of your brow product depending on your own brow color. My eyebrow hair isn't very dark, so I'm going to go ahead with the coffee shade. A tip is to pick a color that is close to your brow color and not exactly the same color, as it will make you look too intense. Step 2. Use a flicking motion. Brush the brows and start filling them from the inner corner with tiny hair-like strokes. Make sure not to overfill in that area though. What's great about this eyebrow perfector is that it has a 1.5 mm tip that makes the application strokes look like actual brow hair. Be a little patient and use very small flicking motions in the direction of your hair growth to make it look the most realistic looking result. The goal is to have even brows. Step 3. Diffuse the color. Once your brows are filled in completely, use a spoolie to diffuse the color and blend it all for that stunning microbladed brow effect. Lastly, this is an optional step, but I like using a concealer to conceal the area above and below my brow for that ultra defined look. And that's how you achieve the perfect brows with the Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector. I love that this is smudge proof and it gives a long lasting effect. This 2-in-1 brow pencil is perfect for faking that ultra natural brow. It has a precise tip which draws tiny lines which mimic brow hair, so you don't have to worry about those unnatural looking brows. Plus, the spoolie in the end is the ideal size for brushing through and softening the brows. At ₹800, it's totally worth investing in. So guys, I hope you like this video. Do share with us your tips for achieving those perfect brows in the comment section below. Before you leave, make sure you like, share and subscribe to BeBeautiful. And yes, don't forget to press that bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Bye!